Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us here on the Upnlive Show. We are your Upnlive Show team. I'm your girl, Little Burners, Dragon All Star, and the Wheels of Steel. Trust me, every week we bring to you the biggest and the baddest within the UK dancehall scene. This week is like no other. Please remember we're here every Tuesday between 9 and 11. We're sponsored by Shish Prince. And we are live in studio with the hashtag, I'm going to say hashtag Oh Jesus boss. So me I got to address you. Stylaa British is here with us in studio. Walk on, brother.
Oh Jesus.
Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Bag of fire up on the screen, you know, dog.
Yeah, man.
People them are waiting on this for a long time, you know, my G.
I hate, man.
How have you been?
You know, some govern.
You go on?
Yeah.
Can't talk a little bit more night.
Yeah, I'm
that's so.
govern.
Go on.
I'm humbly grateful. Life is great.
And you're alive.
Yeah.
And you make some moves and we like it.
Yeah, what up a move I make.
Yeah. So where should we start it, All Star? Because 2020
before we go 2020,
yeah.
let's roll back the clock. Because Stylaa British been in the UK dancehall scene for
long time.
Quite a number of
long
years.
Time. Yes.
So we just want to roll back to you forward into UK, and when did you start doing music professionally in the UK? When did you start out?
All right. My father the UK in 2009.
Okay.
You see me?
Mm-hmm.
My father take me a foreign.
Yeah.
You see me? So I never get to fully finish high school.
Okay.
Because the year when him take me a foreign, you don't know, whenever I reach for graduate and everything, you see me? But my granny grew me good, so
Yeah.
we still have knowledge, you see me?
Yeah.
So my father take me a foreign, and yeah, when him take me, it's like a new book for open, new page.
New chapter.
So it's a clean book.
Yeah.
So since we're talking about clean book, like in the true spirit of Upnlive, you just set yourself up for this question. So
Yeah.
did you start bleaching from 2009?
Nah, me I bleach before that.
Before that.
Before
So that
2000.
never clean.
I think me I bleach before Cartel.
Blood fire, no.
Cause watch, you know, in a high school, you know, man, you don't know, I grew my granny, but I grew her rough.
Yeah.
Because as a little youth,
In a which area?
I grew up in a Chilani.
Okay, cool.
I'm born at Kingston, Jubilee Hospital.
Bap.
You see me? My mother live in a garden, Oxford Street. I have
Yeah.
two mom. That's a strict. You want to ask about a question?
Later. Yeah, but Granny girl, you're good. Yeah.
But yeah, granny grow me good, but it's still rough.
Yeah.
Cause my uncle and my thugs and my cousin them, and so when I did high school, it wasn't a sweet boy thing or a
Bad man thing.
yeah, it's never bad man thing. Man's a thugs, isn't it? Like, you see me? So it's like I have a female cousin named Chevelle. She used to bleach, you see me? And them time I mean around year 9.
Yeah.
You see me? And she used to bleach and she have the remedy, you see me? And them time at high school me then. Seeing I'm around 14, 15. And I said, I want to say, yo, my cousin gets so white. And
You like it.
them time is like a fashion. Like,
Yeah.
It seems like a swag, you see me? And yeah, I try out for the cream one time, you know, brother. And I say, yo,
I eat that.
I eat, you know.
Yeah.
So I'm from high school days, but while I live with my grandmother, I can't go hard.
You have to tone it. You have to tone
My
it down.
grandmother would clock to the color change, you see me? So it was more like a toning thing them time.
Right.
You see me? Until, we just
Yeah. One more question on the bleaching aspect. I realized from I know Stylaa British. I know a whole heap of bleacher. Sometimes them black, sometimes them white, sometimes them extra white.
Right, true. Balance.
You have a balance color. So I'm curious about the formula. What do you use if you don't mind?
You use a pillar of the cream.
To tell the people, you know, why good one.
Just in case, you know, somebody else wants
I got
to.
Jamaica soon, I'm going to catch a little color.
You have to drink whole of a carrot drink, brother.
I lie. No, like a serious thing I thought.
Yeah, man.
Carrot juice?
So
Yeah, drink.
drink.
Carrot drink.
Yeah. It's,
Okay.
Yeah, it's
So-
good for the skin
so
and the eyesight.
To carrot drink bleacher.
You have to time the right weather.
I'm not a dermatologist, you know, so I'm just asking
Brother,
you. 'Cause you're more expert in that field.
I'm asking for a friend.
No, real time.
Or we have to talk off
No, I
here.
remember straight. I don't carrot drink, but you don't know. I'm not tell people my remedy.
Yeah.
I don't-
Okay, so give us the basic. Like any person who want forward in other.
You beard regularly. Yeah.
Watch out some dirt.
Yeah, nasty man can't
No
rub
dirt,
on
no
cream.
dirt, no dirt, no dirt, no dirt, no
Yeah,
dirt, no
you have
dirt,
to
no
ever
dirt.
fresh, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
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 So that's priority.
That's number one.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right.
But
so-
all right. So make we move from the bleaching. So you forward over 2009.
Mm-hmm.
So the main fact that you never finished high school, how did settling in the UK pen out for you?
It wasn't really hard because as I said, I have two moms. So
Right.
when I forward, I was with my mom and my dad.
Okay.
And my little brother them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So as I done this part of school, I know for talk and
You catch it quick.
I know for communicate. You know, so my father helped me enroll in a college called Bramley College.
Okay.
And that I think kind of Kent.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Is the
Yeah,
man.
Bramley College,
Bramley
Kent,
isn't-
not really Kent.
Well, you know,
Them
me,
side
you
there.
know me a yard man. We
Yeah,
need to know the exact place. Is me?
Them side there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
near. With us,
Yeah,
is
yeah.
me? So we go Bramley College. I'm enrolled upon a course called it was diploma in sports science.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, I say, yeah, all right, I play football from a little boy, so sports must easy to get a qualification, isn't it? So, yeah, I enroll and say I do good, and I never stop. I don't do the smoking and I try to make my father proud, because of that him take me off and him strict. He's not a Christian, but I think he's a Christian. You see
The way
me?
how him
So, I
lifestyle.
try to do the right thing,
Mm-hmm.
and yeah, I start go school and I get my couple diplomas, level 1. I have my level 1 to level 3 diploma in sports science.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have a qualification for coach basketball anywhere in the world.
Talk
Basketball.
Yes, I mean-
talk about
no,
talented.
No,
No.
real talk.
Hold on, basketball.
about
as
talented.
As a Jamaican come to England, I would think he would be football or cricket.
No, but watch enough is straight the vibe. I even like the sport.
Okay.
You see me, but watch enough. It's like the sport, it was a free course.
Why is that the easiest one to do at school?
No,
it was a free course.
The course was free.
Okay.
I never have to pay for do it.
So you just run on
You
for
see
now and
me?
then.
So
Yeah,
I say,
yeah.
yo, at the end of the day, just get the qualification, just have it. And then me did get it.
Okay.
You see me? So, because at them time, I don't want be forward a physical education teacher, you see me? A
Yeah.
PE teacher.
Right.
So that's why I done the course.
Right. To
Sports
get
dip-
those various
You know what I mean?
qualifications. Right.
So when I say that as a free course now, I say this can be part of.
Part of your CV.
You
Right,
understand?
right, right.
So I can coach basketball right now, anywhere in the world, right now.
Yeah, but just speaking about that, like you coming here, going to college, getting a few qualification
Yeah,
to do sports science.
Mhm.
yeah.
How does the music fit into that? Was you musically before you moved to UK, or you started when you come here?
Them time and I think nothing about artists.
You just think about making your father proud.
Like them time I skank. I was a skank before music.
Mm.
You see me? I saw from yard. You don't know every yard
Yeah.
man.
Yeah.
It's a beat rhythm,
skanker.
innit? You
Mm.
see me? I skank from them time, but personal reason, me and my father have certain differences,
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
and me have to lift up,
Mm-hmm.
and me lift up 2012.
Yeah.
From out of the house.
Yeah,
Mm.
and that's where I find East London.
Okay.
So East London is where.
It was grown.
Let me say this. Before I reach the East, I don't know if I talk too fast, but you asked me where the music forward in.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
When I there saw me, I roll with Smooth Face. Smooth Face is like a broski.
Right.
You understand?
Mm.
Me used to sit down and I wonder, say, yo, how him do this?
Mm. Mm.
You see me, I said, bro,
From
like,
back those times.
before me I think for the music, because I said I fought from 2009.
Yeah.
Smooth Face family very close with my family.
Okay.
Like
Yeah.
his sisters and
Right.
you know
Right.
what I
right.
mean, it's close with my mom and all of that. So me
Right.
and Smooth Face like a broski.
Right.
Yeah.
So I used to go studio with him, like all of these things,
Just
watch him
yeah,
make music.
pre.
You know what I mean? So me
mm.
used to, it was like an inspiration where it made me find something. I said, wow, I love it to do this. So I think that's where the inspiration started from.
Okay.
You understand? And then I moved to East London now.
Mm-hmm.
Things just happened where I reached the space of music and it just expand from there.
So, yes,
So what's
hold on, you say you're reaching that space musical. Do you remember the first moment where like you decided you wanna
that this was
is it?
yeah.
I want to turn a musician like I'm gonna sit down and put pen to paper. I'm gonna try and memorize.
Or was there
bars or
someone who
whatever.
encouraged you?
Where'd I go?
Yeah.
More hear that story because we have time.
Alright, watch out. I mean, I'll be real, yeah. When I found that East, I never know a lot of people.
Mm-hmm.
Because I say, a personal reasons why I end up
That side.
at East London. You see me?
Yeah.
Some of that few friends who live at East.
Yeah.
And for that few friends, I end up get an address at East London.
Right.
Big up my thugs named Screechy.
Right.
You understand? Screechy Dan. He plays music as well. Screechy Dan helped me get me an address at East London.
Right.
Because my father at East London and one little duffel bag me have now.
Yeah.
With couple of tool.
Personal items.
Yeah, you know what I mean? I swear, I tell you, my mother
like,
said,
you know where your father
I
put
want
you,
to
you
tell
know
brother,
where
and
go. Yeah.
I left all of my clothes and I say, I road.
Yeah.
You see me, man, grew rough, man, I thugs, man, I have to survive, you see
Yeah,
me?
yeah, yeah.
And you don't know Screechy help me get the address, and I get the address, and I call my mother, and I say, mommy, I eat this, you know? Yeah, man, I'm mad now, I depart my own, and she have my address, and now, boom, bang, no turning forward, and it's a visit,
Right, right.
And my there on, as I said, Screechy play music, till Bombshell Turbulence.
Big up Bombshell.
Yeah.
You see me? Before that, my there on certain people was in the game before me where I try to get there.
Right.
You see me? But where it proper start, I get a phone call one day from Bombshell Turbulence.
Yeah.
And Bombshell Turbulence say, yo, I there want studio and I want you link up. And them time I'm in a hostel. Because my life I keep it true, my life I open book, you see me? And I there want hostel and Bombshell Turbulence call me and I say, yo, Stylaa British. You're a bad artist, you know, more you meet some people right now, you have to do road, you know. And I say, yeah, yo, Bombshell, but then I'm yard, I'm even a paper and a bad bro. And I say, what you do? Jump in a cab, me pay for it.
Right.
I'm reach at the studio. I'm walking that Bombshell, I say, you know a ring ding ding? I say, yeah man, I know a ring ding ding man.
Yeah.
Man, I say, you know who sing it? I say, yeah man. No, I lie. I say, nah, but I know the song.
Right.
Good, because as a school youth, I hear the song everywhere.
Right.
And then I say, yeah man, Orthodox that, Lenky Ride that, Rated it, and I say, scene. You don't know me as a young little youth, I try. You see me, I say, scene. And from a reach on a circle there with Bombshell, bring me around. Big up Bombshell Turbulence.
Yeah, big up.
Who named Dan Bass now?
Orthodox.
It was Orthodox before.
Right.
And Lenky Ride.
Right.
And that's where my career, class myself officially now as an artist.
Right.
I'm record my first official song called Feeling the Vibes.
From when Dan Bass usually have the studio, yeah?
In LOC studio.
Right.
You see me?
So-
It's called Feeling the Vibes.
So talk us through the process of making that first track.
Tears run on to me eye, man.
Like literally,
Yeah,
as
man.
a big man.
Yeah, man, real talk, man.
Talk to me about it.
Because- It's like, all right, as I said, I grew up my granny, you know.
Right.
Somebody at church regularly. But on Sunday when I think you're asleep.
You used to go to church?
Sunday service.
And we
You know
are
hearing saying grow with him, granny
What you
brother?
talk about, brother? Yeah, me used to go to Anglican church, bro.
No.
And when I hear about Anglican
That's
church, you know,
somewhere.
I pay old people, you know.
Yeah. True. Anglican church, only for old people real.
I probably am the youngest in that church from my little friend, you know. Everybody
right
else,
back bench.
yeah, real talk. Everybody else in that church are great grandmother and great grandfather, and them have a thing called organ. It's
Yes.
not even piano, it's
It's
an
an
organ.
organ.
You understand? And then they have a thing called hymn book.
Yes.
Says that there's a number on the board
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
then
telling
there's
you
a
which
hit-
song you're
tell
going
it.
to sing.
and it's a hymn.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So from there church, man have the vision there about even paragraphing and line out music
Lines
from
and
that.
verses.
You see me from the hymn book. Me used to have to play the drum at church with the old people. Them.
Hold on.
Me a-
Stop. Stick a pin.
Lord
Stick
God.
a pin. Una
Yeah.
hear a Stylaa British tell me?
No jokes.
First of all.
No jokes.
First of all, the man is trained, is a trained basketball coach. Then the man is a musician. You a drummer dog? The man you say he used to
Alright.
play drums.
You know what? More than even class myself as a ear what
Church
go on
boy.
now.
Multi-talented, that's what you call it, bro.
When you live with your granny say, jump, you know.
Yeah.
You have to jump, you know.
You can't ask her, oh, I know,
So
brother.
when your granny can't go to church and
Yeah.
granny say, boy, go and go play a drum. What you going to tell the granny say, no?
No.
You have to go play a drum.
Until you learn how
So,
to do it. Right.
During that, I learn how to play the drum.
Right.
You see when them keep like crusade them thing in the church, and me have to play that, you know. You see me? And remember, you know, old people, you know, them not sing to pan the beat, you know.
No.
Them like 5 second delay, you know, brother.
Them not sing pan the beat or you not play pan the sing.
No.
Brother,
No.
remember, you know, a regular beat we are playing, what church people know.
And then, you know, so
Church
them
beat is
slow.
boom, 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 boom,
Yeah.
boom, 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 boom.
It depends
You
on the
see
song
me?
you sing it
Constantly.
still.
I remember the drummer go with
Yeah.
the organ, and it's an old man that play organ, and a
So
young
you know,
boy,
so that's slow too.
You see me? So it's like man have the idea of music, or music, I think, and may have cousins and that would sing any night. The night could have over Jerusalem.
Then they.
She did there sing.
Right.
So it's like during them time I never know some music was within me, but while all of this happening and thinking forward, I said, well, I'm probably it sprung from them times as well. I'm never acknowledge.
You never did a water
yeah.
the
Alright.
I don't want to say seed.
The tree make it grow.
It wasn't a tree, but you know that little that thing there.
Anyway,
Yeah.
let's skip forward a bit to current stuff now. We know you over the few years while you was in your infancy of
the career.
Infancy of a career.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, in your infancy of a career. Then through lockdown, we start see you and Shanty Force, you and Big Zeeks and the Shellington, you and X people, and we start some big move. We start see the work ethics and the
Increasing.
releasing of music and the strategical move
Yeah.
bump up a bit, and we're like, yo, it's a new artist or something or whatever, or Imana
The
management or
revamped.
guidance. What influenced you guys to team up and say Shellington Posse and form that, what you call it, that's alliance?
Alright. For one, me and Shanty Force, I'm a bro from for years now. You see me? I know Shanty Force, and even me in a record yet.
Right.
So that, you know what I
Long
mean?
time.
Yeah.
Long time.
Me I watch Shanty Force a shell
Shell
show, and I
sh-
say,
yeah.
yo,
Bad artist.
where the young girls are from? You see me?
Yeah.
So this is not a new friend. This is my bad bro from them time.
Long time.
I can sing him song them like a my one them.
Yeah.
You see me, if me that splice it up, me splice enough and him can do the same with my song them. I'm bad bro.
Yeah.
The way I know Big Zeeks is I would say through Shanty Force.
Right.
Because I know him song them, but speaking to him
Personally. Right.
Shanty Force held an event in Stoke Newington, and that's where I've seen Zeeks for the first time. I not lie, you know, when I see Zeeks at the building, you know, I not go perform still, but I tell myself, say, a rapid burst tonight in the car.
No,
An artist, you know, with status,
Yeah,
where,
yeah,
you know what I
yeah,
mean?
yeah.
Man, want to prove myself, you see me? So, I ain't gonna lie, that night as well, I know what I'm capable of, but that night, I make sure I'm on point. And that's the night when me and Zeeks met the link official, and Zeke's been giving me strength from them times.
Big up
The-
to Zeeks and Shanti.
This is not a money strength.
Yeah.
You understand?
Genuine.
Zeke's a real youth. You see me? Real youth is
Yeah. But may I say this, in real truth and fact, isn't Shanty Force and Stylaa British being a ghetto gladiator like for a few years running in terms of the hardcore dancehall people is familiarized with your guys' name?
Alright, man, I've been a put in the work, you know, bro. Like, work been a put in, you know. Cause I like at the first, and I like since the buzz now happened.
Yeah, it's been happening for a while, but it wasn't as
You see
strong
me?
as it.
So probably the buzz,
yeah.
I probably never my time. I probably never put in as much work.
Right.
You see me? But man, been have songs where we create buzz in the street.
Right.
Hold on, let me ask this now, because I want to make it clear. Because some of the critiques and some people out there is saying, like, is Big Zeke's giving you guys energy?
Is that true?
Would you agree with that? Say, is you guys is living out Big Zeke's energy?
I don't understand what you mean.
As in because of the
people is saying
wave.
because of the link with Big Zeke's.
That's how
make
you're
you
getting the
guys
look in now.
Are correct now and
Yeah.
hot.
You, I can be honest.
Yeah, that's what we want it to be.
Yeah. For me,
Yeah.
cause my interview. When I
Yeah.
talking
No,
about it.
yours, right. Go
For
ahead.
me,
Mm.
since Zeke's forward
Mm-hmm.
and all of this been happening, this
Right.
this been the best
Of your career.
and yet to forward
Yeah.
Right.
I've seen where Zeke's helped to make things possible.
Right.
Him tell me things in the music. That's why I said this is not a money thing.
Yeah.
You understand?
Right.
It's a person what I can call as well and say, yo, brother,
Mm.
I want to go around this and him say, yo, bro,
Mm.
I've been through that before. Listen.
Mm.
You see me? So when me can say my career then now Zeke's have something to do with it.
Yeah.
Right.
Remember brother, assist and score now. Me Big Zeke's and Shanty Force.
Yeah.
Big song.
You see me?
Yeah.
That give me
Yeah.
the buzz.
Yeah. That
You
you're
see me?
still right. You're still.
You understand?
The wave is still there.
I can't go around that.
Mhm.
Yeah, definitely.
You see me?
And-
So what if I say if a Big Zeke's help make it possible,
That's the truth.
100% him did help make it
That's the
possible.
truth. That's the
really,
truth.
really understand like
Mhm.
European homage, but I don't want people to screenshot and say I'm being troublesome and I'm picking a bone.
Mm-hmm.
But in my personal analysis,
Mm-hmm.
I could see that Big Z help you and Shanty Force a lot. I'm not saying giving you lyrics or whatever,
Mm-hmm.
but it improve your work ethic
Yeah.
and strategically
Strategically.
how
Yeah.
you do things and how certain things is done because
Yeah.
Yeah.
I realize that a lot of people in the dancehall scene, especially newcomers to the music, as we say yourself, you was not doing music as long as I think you was professionally.
Yeah.
Big Zeke's been out there for a while, so he probably know the back.
I've been
end of
Yeah.
music.
I've been in that game for 10 years.
Yeah, but Big Zeke's probably know the
From
back.
2012.
Yeah, he probably know the back end of the music better.
Based
than you.
on the.
So any
yeah.
man
Yeah.
want why when me say the back end something, why when me talk about me talk the business side of it,
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
the business side of the music, seeing?
Mm-hmm.
So he probably know that. So he's telling you this and so I appreciate what Big Six is doing because
Mhm.
remember, you and Shanty Force, you are not short of talent from there that.
Yeah.
But sometimes talent only can bring you this far,
True.
and you need that.
You need the
extra
support, the
help
extra
over the
support.
line.
And there's still
So-
space to learn.
Exactly.
So you see that song assistant score.
Yeah.
That's why to me, I don't know how you guys analyze it, but how we analyze it. So Big Z is assisting you guys to score a goal.
Mm-hmm.
That's how we analyze it because you already have the tools to score the goal,
Yeah.
Mm.
but you just need what you call it the
The true pass.
true pass.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So yeah,
So on that note, let's talk about 2020 because assistant scored forward out. Was it this year or 2020? It's 2020.
2020. Yeah.
2020.
Yeah.
So before assistant score, there was a lot of things that were happening.
Yeah.
Me I gonna call it podcast.
Mm-hmm.
Cause by 7:30 in the morning,
Mhm.
Stylaa British is live. At 7:30, that's so early or 8:30?
Wait, I when we start go live.
When it start go live?
This year,
this
man.
year
This year.
like from January, but
yeah, from early this year. Yeah.
So, like, on the back forward of assistant score,
Mhm.
or let me start at assistant score. How was that synergy creating the song, writing the song? Because we know so all I know, like, on a bad pan that. On a bad pan lyrics, on a
What-
bad pan
what-
XYZ.
What for assistant
For
score?
assistants, we're talking about assistant score.
That song I never planned for Vice that day. Then.
So,
We
talk to us about it.
We plan for go studio, yes.
Yeah.
But I don't like a plan. We have the plan that's like we go to studio. The mindset say we're gonna record a song name assistant score.
Right.
We just go, Zeke's have a session and say, yo,
Rolling.
man, trying to force forward. And
Right.
you don't know studio go rhythm a play
Mm-hmm.
and we just hear a vibe and
Mm-hmm.
I guess when bad artists hear something where make sense, we all enhance it.
more on
Exactly.
that. Put that
Yeah.
in like,
Yeah,
most
you
people
understand.
You drop a
so-
line, yeah, so you
Yeah,
add something
you
there,
see
so.
me, so-
Mm.
We did a freestyle and I play around lyrics and I play on lyrics until
The song make.
the idea forward up and I threw away and we I say, yo, one song can't vice unless I one song Vice, it has to be a collab.
Yeah.
And it happened, innit?
But
I love it.
In terms of like the Shellington crew,
Yeah.
do you think that bring a more unify? Because I have to pick the word I'm doing,
Shanti the on the live.
Me can't say unify something, because them all white.
Unified aspect of things.
Unify aspect, yeah.
A one road, man.
One road.
Yeah, because
A one road, my fam. Because watch, a lot of people ask the question. A one road, bro. A one mission.
Right.
One music,
vision.
One vision. One dream.
Right.
You see me? So, all the people I say, yo, it's an alliance. Where when we shell a show, we shell it like alliance.
Yeah, that's why I
Bad.
said it's like alliance.
Yeah, understand?
Bad.
So, when I don't know what I always say, the bad bro them
Yeah.
are trouble.
Yeah.
You see me? So, me understand what you're saying. A lot of people think, yeah, this is, a lot of people say this is like, what you call them?
Not that.
I don't even remember. I not joke at the time
Yeah.
on that. But yeah, the question found a lot. But for we, a one road.
One road.
Yeah, Shanti Force a front page. Me say, oh,
Oh,
Jesus.
Jesus.
You know what I mean? Miss Bandy say bad to bad. You see
I
me?
understand.
Yeah, Big Zeke say,
You
you
understand, yeah.
You see me? You have Zidane say, yo,
See that, yeah.
you hear what I said to you?
Yeah.
You see me?
yeah.
Like, I want everybody depend is it was one
One
road, one
road,
music.
one
you see
vision.
me?
And
Yeah.
I understand because for the longest time, UK dancehall is
Lacking.
never been on this high.
Lacking
Yeah.
the unity.
And to be honest, make it honest to say we don't have a number one song for the man them out of UK, otherwise from Stylaa G. But UK dance all music been on a buzz. Imagine if we have a number one song could be trending over the world.
True.
We have some nice song and thing we are playing in London. We have to be honest. We don't have a number one over the lockdown.
Yeah.
So imagine when that number one forward, because I realize a lot of factors in the UK dancehall scene, and me can't talk for it because I've been very observant, yeah, that's the word, yeah. I feel like I think New York have their artists and their selectors were famous.
Yeah.
Florida, this
Yeah.
that in America.
Yeah.
But we cannot have one for the whole of UK in our culture. Remember, we have people in the Jamaican people been living in UK from Wapikil Phillip.
Yep.
Yeah.
So why can this? Because it's never been a unified stand until now, and I like how this younger generation is breaking that gap and that mindset. Because since the Shellington posse, we have selectors, we have other people who are doing the whole of other scene in the other dancehall aspect, even cameraman. They're
Yep.
working together now as a team because they see like unity work.
True.
And I think that's a great model for dancehall now. That's why when you come on to you guys and supporting your music, I think it's a no-brainer, because I guess the street already
They know.
respect you guys. You
Yeah.
guys already have a lot of street creds.
Right.
So I think is one thing you guys lacking, and you probably know the answer to that.
What's that?
Eh?
What's that?
Promotion aspect,
Okay.
the music.
I work great, man. Work I put in. It's just like the buzz is happening.
It's
just
being creative.
You know what I mean? It's work rate, and we keep putting in the work, and you know what I mean?
Yeah.
More content, more work, more hit songs.
So based on you looking on into the dancehall space, so you've been in the industry for years, for over 10 years, 10 years going on. What are some things, and this is based on your personal experience as well, what are some things that we can do as a fraternity to improve the dancehall scene now?
Unity.
I mean, that's the first thing, yes, and we've chomped on
Like,
about that, but outside
people-
of unity,
people-
what else can we do?
For me, there's too much segregation.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Some people love size up, brother.
Yeah.
Too much size up. Like, a man feel like to them forward in, a man for kick away a man foot and take a man's space.
Right.
You don't have to do that.
Yeah.
It's wide enough for everybody to be
You know what I mean? Create your own buzz. Turn up
Yeah.
your own lane.
Yeah.
Make me not know what go on your lane, bro.
Yeah,
Right.
that's true.
You know what I mean?
But the mere fact is that you're there to support,
You see,
even
but
though
it's-
you don't know what's there.
Like, at the end of the day, yeah, everybody have them own personal and personality and
Yeah.
aura and the
Yeah.
way them live them
Yeah.
life,
Yeah.
yo. We just accept the person for
who they are.
You know what I mean? If you're not work, I'm not work. Cause you see for me, I'm not running, you know.
Yeah, definitely.
I saw me stay. I'm afraid of embarrassment.
Mm-hmm.
You see me? I'm not running, brother. I have my own, and if I not have it, I stay over here. So, you see me? So, like, but I like if you accept me for
Who
me
you
because
are.
you see me?
Yeah.
Don't dislike me, show you like red, I mean I like red.
That don't make no sense.
Yes,
That's
I
a
mean,
fitnessing thing.
Or you not like that person, I have to deal with that person.
Yeah.
Eh? You see
Fitness
me?
thing
So,
that-
too much segregation, too much people are try to size up and compete. You see me? I say, brother, and that bring problem.
All right, now we're talking about sizing up. Now we see that you have done a body of work where
Yeah.
you actually can size up to some of these
Of
people
course.
who actually done a body of studio work.
Me not depend that, brother.
And now you could actually say you have an official catalog.
Yeah.
So let's speak about that catalog. What drive you to say, all right, I need to sit down and put pen to paper and get these songs, professional record, go in the studio, make some videos and whatever. What led you to do that?
For one, my son.
Aw.
Seeing, yeah, my son is like a full driving force. You see me? Yeah, man. If I mosquito bite him right now,
The mosquito dead.
dead.
Right there, so.
You see me?
Yeah.
I may have people around me where love me and support me.
Right.
And my granny,
Big up, grandma.
I feel like my granny still a wall out because of me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see me? Real way.
Yeah,
You see
yeah,
me?
yeah.
So sometimes they reach a point with where music is concerned where I wasn't taking it serious as how I should. It's like me have it as a hobby and not as a career. You see me? And even friend like Shanti Force, you know, I have to bless up bad bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, one day Shanti Force call me, you know. Me I thought this, you know. Pardon me.
That's okay.
Yeah, one day Shanti Force called me, you know. And Shanti Force, I said, yo, bro. I ain't gonna lie, you know, bro. Yeah, man, you need to make the move, man. You need to make the move now. You know what I mean? I don't want what happened to me happen to you, fam.
Right.
No, real way, brother.
And you need people
Real-
like
yeah,
that
think
in
I-
your
no,
corner.
No, real way.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm, my daddy, I said, Jano, if, because I'm say I'm a bro for years, but him never yet put them certain constructive criticism to me that way there.
And suggestions.
Yes, and so,
right,
yes, I mean,
right.
so when me really say, I said, Jano, no, man, I have to take heed, yo. And trust me, it work. And big up Foley Dan.
One done.
Big up one Dan Foley Dan. You see me? Big up. But now, like, I do get support.
Yeah.
But as I said, when you get support, it's you as an individual, as a person. What do you do with it?
It's what the lessons that you learn from it.
You understand
Because I
that?
mean, yeah,
Well,
that's
how
true.
do you go forward with that criticism? Do you sleep on it or do you?
Do you ignore it? So okay, so on that point, 3 things that you have learned that you can pass on to other upcoming artists or artists that might be here but are discouraged.
Be humble.
3 lessons. One,
humble.
yeah. Next
See,
one.
Few, respect who you forward and see. If them not respect you, you don't have
Yeah.
to respect them. You hold no one nothing. And 3, stay in your own lane.
Say it again.
Stay in your own lane.
Before we move over to that, what do you think of the general public who look at Stylaa British as an artist? Do you think they think you're a bit hype, you're a bit bossy, you're a bit this or
You
you're
know,
a bit that?
high above everybody
May
else.
I ask you, how do you think they think about you as an artist?
I don't know how they think about me, you know. Bro.
You, your own
You must think about it like say, you wonder what people think about me. Or me, you know,
But
everybody do.
I don't know, like, I can't read people's mind. Well, I don't know.
What do you think the public think about you?
I think them think me as a humble person and I'm cool. Well, for me, I'm not hype, but I'm bossy.
Yeah.
You're not going to see me looking in my words. If
Yeah.
I stress, you're not going to
Now I
see
see it.
You know what I mean?
And if you diss me, I diss you.
You see me, if you diss me,
What? Yo, Stylaa nearly never made one time with a
You know what I
dog.
mean? So,
Bomba.
wipe on the one off, nyam off the head part still.
It's me.
Burn off.
Wanna have that in a right.
Sorry,
Why?
yeah, me take my why.
Yeah, man.
Me take my why. But yeah,
You know what I mean? But
yeah.
you don't know, we keep ourselves clean.
Yeah.
Our granny grow we good. We know
Yeah.
if, you know what I mean?
Handle
Good
any
self-esteem,
situations that
cleanliness is good
yeah,
for
yeah,
godliness.
So, we could talk about the body of work where you released recently, you know. Some of the songs and some of the singles and you dropped recently. Let's go into the music aspect
Yeah.
of this.
Alright. You don't know assist and score start the buzz.
Yeah.
You see me? Zeeks, them boy, they a learner.
Mm-hmm.
Step love me more than burner. Bap, bap, bap.
You see me? You don't know, say that's how the buzz start and
Yeah.
I think who never take my career serious start, say, nah.
Yeah, you need to do something. Something not to do.
Allow him now. You know what I mean? And brother, even oh Jesus, the slang oh Jesus, bro.
Mm.
But you've been saying that for years.
I'm glad you said it before me. Say
Mm.
no. I've been using that slang
From
for
a long
years.
All right.
And me go so much dance and
Mm.
me would turn up another dance and the selector will use it like a film one and I never yet say
Yeah.
Stylaa.
you know what I mean?
Yeah,
I'm just humble and clutch and say I'm all more humble, you see me? And
Mm-hmm.
what is to be will be. So it's when me say and the assistant score song.
Right.
Oh Jesus, seeks them boy, they are learner who used to use it and I give me the credit.
Mm-hmm.
Them either afraid to use it now
No,
or
or
use it and say style,
Style.
British.
Yeah, yeah.
So
That was the trademark.
I think at time innit?
Mm.
Yeah.
You see me?
So then the
What forward
recent
after?
song that you released a video for.
Yeah.
No, but wasn't thingy before that? Was it official before or
No, it's
Hold
official
on.
is after?
is
Okay.
No,
way
the-
after. Assistant
Hey,
score
Hey
is before.
you.
Yeah.
Assistant score
Yeah.
then.
Let me ask-
Hey you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then hey you. But
Yeah.
who don't know Stylaa British? Cause remember, I know you for time and I know about your career.
Yeah.
So I want go two people who know Stylaa British from a long time know say this song is not a recent song.
Well, hear you.
The little Crutches Watchman thing. That
no,
song.
No, that recent man.
No.
Yeah, you probably have mixed
the
it up with,
no,
with
no.
Monday girl, Tuesday girl.
You're right, you know, you're right.
Yeah,
That's the one, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
mix it up with
May I
seven.
mix it up with that one.
Yeah,
You're right.
yeah. Yeah, that's why I said
Yeah. Monday
me-
girl, yeah.
Monday
You're
girl,
right. You're right.
Tuesday
You're right.
girl.
about that.
that's we have song we have buzzing on the street from
From
before.
long time. Yeah.
But because I always know you perform that song, and when you perform
Eh,
that
me
Monday
have
girl,
shellings, brother.
like you perform that song with so much conviction.
I could have come in a rhythm or a gospel anywhere me catch it. A shellings. You know what I mean? So it's not like me gonna try find some banger from before. I might not have that mass catalog of song, but whenever I drop a song,
Yeah.
it has an effect.
Yeah. Because
But-
you're talented
You
in
know what I
whatever
mean?
you do. Like
So-
your writing style,
Wanna ask this
performance.
now.
You're just bad.
Want ask this now, like the Crutches Watchman, hey you,
Yeah.
what led you to write that song? Was you in a situation
Wait, yeah, watch out the girl, Crutches.
where you sex somebody girl?
For one, me never
Me,
write.
hold
it.
on, may I ask you?
Yeah.
Make you make that song. Was he in
Um,
that position where you grind somebody girl and no stuff, watch it pum pum or
For
something
one,
like
it
that?
never planned for.
Because
so-
most of these things, go we know artists sing, we're talking about our lifestyle. So, was somebody watch them girl while they are sex it?
Nah.
Talk to us about the creation of the
That
song.
never reached me yet. But you don't know that happen in general, man. Watch them woman. But
Yeah.
Are you
That-
look smarty girl and him just a watch out him girl?
that you know we are girls in the street and brother. So
Bad
it's
to
me,
bad.
but it's that like at that point it wasn't planned.
Yeah.
What happened is my Shanty Force I got studio that day. Big up Ras Demo in my yard productions
Yeah.
record scene. We got studio that night for record Shanty Force song.
Right.
When we reach at the studio, we hear the producer I finish make a rhythm. While he's finishing the rhythm, like 5 minutes after reaching in the studio,
Yeah.
I'm still gonna listen to the producer finish up the rhythm. Out of nowhere, I was like, "Hey, yo, Mr. Pussy Watch, man."
I don't believe that.
I swear. And Shanty Force
People
was...
don't believe him, cause...
Shanty Force was like, yo, bro. Yo, that mad enough. I remember we got studio the intention for record
Shanty's song. Yeah.
Shanty Force put him song on pause.
Blessed love.
Mm.
Big up to Shanty Force for
Seeing?
that one day.
And put him song on pause. For finish the idea, yeah.
Yeah.
I remember we don't have the song. This is just an idea.
Right,
Hey,
right.
yo, Mr. Pussy Watch, man.
Yeah.
One line.
And that's it.
And the song have to finish.
Okay.
So the rhythm never finish make,
Yeah.
but now we find an idea and the song recorded that same night. So we record 2 songs that night. Pussy Watchman song and Shanty Force song we meant to record.
Yeah.
So it wasn't planned for. I don't write music. I don't get up and take out a book and find a pen and play a rhythm.
And say,
and
oh,
say,
mega write a song. No.
No,
Yeah.
we listen to rhythm, find melody and key and find song. You see me, you know, you see me? I don't have a
Big Zig's a liar.
you see me?
See,
Zeke's
hold
a-
on now,
Zeke's know the
hold on.
badness.
Jump.
Don't get me wrong though, like
Yeah.
in a music, you see, remember, you know, and we all human, we'll forget stuff. I'll jot certain things down in my notes.
Yeah. Naturally.
You
Because,
see me?
naturally.
that's naturally just to remember a bar. You will find a bar, you say,
And you might, yeah.
don't want to forget that.
Yeah.
But when I go studio, I not have a pen and paper when I find that long, slow.
But that's an olden days thing.
Yeah,
In
you know what I mean,
2021,
man.
right?
You see me?
Like, we like the song and everything,
Mm-hmm.
but let's move into the video creation. Was you a part of the
Planning
actual
phase.
planning phase of the video creation for like who should use
From,
blah blah blah?
From start.
So that you knew who you wanted
you know-
in there.
Now when it's song a record,
Yeah, you
yeah.
visualize
You
it.
visualize.
Me I
So,
tell it
hold
to-
on.
yeah.
So a pussy will let it down and bless for.
Danny
So you
Black.
take Danny Black for pussy will.
Entrance. Entrance.
it's not even that, you know. It's image, innit? Danny Bless have that personality,
Yeah.
that persona. there.
Yeah.
Wow, pussy wash man.
No, it's just what the song I go off him can bring it out. You see me?
Yeah.
And I like Danny Bless new to the acting world. Him done
Yeah.
In season, that's his thing.
Him done
That's his thing.
him work.
Yeah. But here one now. You have to give credit to Danny Bless
Wally.
because he had that role. No, him take it. Right now,
Yeah, man.
Danny Bless, me never know better.
You get
But
a
that's-
Grammy, dog.
Right now, me never know better. I'm gonna say I really catch his watchman, you know.
Yeah, man.
Right now, your career in a jeopardy because me I think about it. From watching video, me I like, no man, look like you have experience.
But
Yo,
yeah,
but you see
when him have the video.
Me have to big up Danny Bless still because you see with Danny Bless, I know Danny Bless for years before even my career there started. Then now, and him a one person I waste time say, me a bad artist, you see me? Because even my phone Danny Bless about the video, I never question it. You see me? Him never question it. Him even the day when him found out the
Yeah.
video
The video
showed,
shoes, right?
it's like him want bad up the cameraman because him a tell the video man I say,
What if you do?
I said, never say
Yeah.
what if you do. I say, yo, you see when me I tell her say, more and do it a go work. Just,
He had the he
Yeah,
understood the
yeah,
vision that you
just
wanted.
listen to me
Right,
for
right,
5
right,
minutes.
right.
Yeah.
so he's basically saying, man, I say your vision wrong.
He's just
But
adding to what you
Just
have.
listen my vision for a minute and
So people
he was serious. Him
who
telling
don't know
me.
Danny Bless, if you don't really know Danny Bless, you don't know him have a really creative side to him.
Yep.
So
Yeah, man.
when we made that comment and that joke a while ago, it's no disrespect to Danny Bless.
No,
Danny Bless
definitely.
good,
Definitely.
Danny Bless a friend.
Definitely
So
not.
me allowed to make that comment. 'cause
Definitely not.
Danny Bless is not thin skin like
No.
some people.
Yeah.
So
And
Danny
he-
Bless is a
Talented person.
he's an actor, he's
He's
an
a
artist, he's
host.
a DJ.
Producer.
He do many things, but not
He-
everything. Remember, you know, people.
And they met them know. You
That's Danny
understand?
Bless. So a big actor.
Big. I mean, he's a multi-talented person.
Big up Sasha Tucker, Jesus Christ. Sasha,
Oh,
yeah, beat them
Jesus.
bad. Oh, Jesus.
Queen with
Yeah.
many hats. We can. She get the title. She get the title of Queen with many hats. I will
Sasha.
call you a queen.
Rasta
Forever,
Sasha.
Sasha.
That, you know, my girl beat you and Sasha. You know,
Nobody
mind,
know
let's
beat
stop
me,
Sasha.
sir.
Sasha
Nobody.
Sasha support the
everybody.
movement.
Yeah, definitely.
And from day one as well.
Yeah, Sasha.
So big up to you. Big up to you, Sasha.
That's how I know her.
Yeah,
You see me?
Genuine
So,
support.
you see me? I have to big up Sasha, the whole UK. That.
definitely. Time, guys. When you're having fun, time flies by. Stylaa. I think you know the strips of the show already. You've been here. Well, yeah.
True fashion at
Upnlive show.
Yeah.
We forward there, so we're not paying the money.
Yeah.
So fix up yourself.
Yeah.
Get comfortable. When I say fix up yourself.
Oh, I go freestyle.
All right. Dragon All Star.
Freestyle, because we're not the money.
We're not the money. We're not paying fee.
All right, go on.
Alright.
Dragon. Make a rich girl feel poor. Baby mother say, boy, you a real one. One leap a girl like sand pan seashore. You ever straight and me nah detour. Me say, one leap a girl, me still need more. Girl I say, yeah, me have the key for door. Only thing me spend that time, and me not fi spend that time when she come and me can't ignore. Alright. Tell them some do it naturally and them I wonder out so much girl a follow me and even if I want left that not really matter me. Me come over have a date with Natalie and the girl them find me interesting now fi go to me where you fi impress game. Style of my name is like a inquest team. Our style them boy do you follow? Well boy see a big girl up at me collar. Rather go cheap and clean and have enough girl like Shabba but some man a man them a follow. We make some boy them not have no girl. From long time me hear them girl a program. We say girl is from my barn and me say like carry on cars. How that a me slogan and me say girl a say me sharper than a razor. Love to see me in a blazer. Turn up the treble on my voice, yeah. Make it clearer. Some boy even have a one girl in a them era. Girl is easy, me spread it like malaria. Me thugs them myself is at the pounds of US and the shaver. So girl from the past want the link in a the era. Me just code clean so every girl a John Abra. Big up every girl is every river. Grandfather say son, make sure you grow up as a girl is some me. Always have a girl in my palace. You not go here say me a no girl a malice. Me take with some boy girl. Me a be honest. Some boy them I wonder every day. Them ever single and me change girl every day. Me do it regular but if a girl me up. When you bring off me cellular me style. Oh Jesus. I me say me a me Monday girl, Tuesday girl, Wednesday girl, Thursday girl, Friday girl. Next day say me chill with me Saturday girl. Sunday step in at the church and me take with the pastor girl. Monday girl, Tuesday girl, Wednesday girl, Thursday girl. Me say tell them a Friday you take away so straight away. And you see Monday, up a Keisha the fun day. Hard what she claims say she have a next man a run day. Yeah she tell me where the gun day. So if him step through the door you know me nah run way. I just see Tuesday night over Michelle and through the fight. And the two of them want use the mic so me know me a fuck them right. You see Wednesday, oh Jesus, could you swear? Them things could wrong. I mean I say big up the whole Upnlive show in the man Ras. I mean I say Dragon big up your damn self in the man. Rick Upnlive anywhere you stand up in the man. You know the badness, don't. Tell them road we live, run we a room and love with style and she love with cologne and I tell me she want carry me home and when me let she no stop call me phone and road me live, roam me a room and love me style and she love me cologne and I tell me she want carry me home and when me let she no stop call me phone. Me straight jeans them roll up, new kicks them no hold up. Your girl say me sweet like donut. Try cramp my style but the pussy them cold up. Can't find your girl she in my bed fold up. When me left studio what girl me go link up. Yard full of girl so me turn it in a drink up. Pull up our gate in a car well tint up. You live with your girl but me have a rapping pote. Road me live, road me love me style and she love me co. And I tell me she want carry me home and when me let she no stop call me phone and road me live, road me a room and love me style and she love me cologne and I tell me she want carry me home and when me left. Alright, cocky your one girl, see it ya, yeah. A long time your body me a feature. I no cartel but me woulda be your teacher. Make you wet up yourself when me cocky reach. Me have a Spanish girl, she muy bonita. Me yar, say no she a me señorita. Girl, see me cocky ya, take a seat ya. Girl wind up to that. And me say girl me want you wind up your body for me. Yeah, where you want move me know you feel on it. Skin well clean, your petite body and some can't walk out call them body cranny. And me say girl me want you wind up your body for me. Where you are moving, know you feel on it. Skin well clean, your petite body and some can't walk out call them body cranny. Alright, skin so soft and your body so neat and you real like girl you not fi fuck and then you sheet and your phone a ring you not have no time to speak. Squeeze me tight baby, don't nobody scream and you say you love the vibes and you get the ride. So that's why you're not in a bitch throw away your pride. Me have my wife and me yard but she large and in charge but you are the best thing. And me say, oh Jesus, I say you reach. Alright, I me say money where you gone and you near me everybody a call and I know me no see from you gone if no money don't call my phone on at all money, Money where you gone and your name me everybody a callin'. I know me not see if I'm you gone. If I no money don't call my phone on a challan'. Yeah, bills a pay and a lie and worse. Me even have a 9 to 5 and my landlord say me depend the chalk line. So if you find the rent money say me woulda walk a mile and I mean say man a real survivor. Even though the stress away to me like a tidal. You see the queen she a my girl. And what is? Oh Jesus.
Yeah, but that is something on this, sir.
Buckler.
Back in the day, something.
Alright. Pull up rhythm. Me nah go say skip the rhythm. Are you mad? I'ma talk to her. Yeah, alright. Bad girl and she pretty with it. Shape good with the titty with stiff. She not believe in a love, just want have a little fun. She not care, she say fuck the feeling. Me say me tell her the things that make she find appealing. Me say that's a me banana, yeah she want to peel it. Yeah, she link me in and something very revealing. Her bag a screaming and her legs them up in the ceiling. Cause I me a fuck your girl where you hear about. She a say you style it lame out. I when you buy your everything I want put on the wedding ring. She give me pussy, she no care no. Hattie said a girl me make her lay down. Girl a cheer for me, you think I stadium. Ask me no question, me please. Them you bring your girl round me coming up.
Ease out.
Stop. Alright, read him up. I hate that.
Ease out. When artist bad. People make us see some fire upon the screen. No, please.
No, see there.
Make us see some fire upon the screen. No, man.
Him not ready, you know.
Oh, Jesus.
See him saying this a while, you know.
Oh, Jesus.
Stylaa British is not a stage show thing, it's a quick freestyle. I know what you go.
Stylaa. As Spark say, any rhythm.
Oh, Jesus.
Any rhythm.
What you got right there?
The show done.
Show done?
The
One
show.
DJ, one more song.
One more, give me one gospel rhythm. You want one? I mean, amazing
any
grace.
rhythm, any
Give
rhythm, yeah.
one last rhythm and then we wrap it up.
Oh, Jesus. Yeah, big up
Listen.
everybody up on the live.
Something unusual.
I really support them. All oh, Jesus, gang. You don't know the
You understand?
You see me? You can
And
go
if-
hip hop if you want. You can go.
Let us
You
know
know
what.
what I mean? You can
In
go
the
R&B.
meantime, tell us
You know what I
quickly
mean?
what.
Give me something new. Hip hop,
In-
R&B.
Alright, yeah, what go on, people?
Before-
different.
Me nah give something new, me give something whole. With
Yeah.
a hip hop rhythm.
Okay, go on.
And more you put some bars part of me, because that rhythm me a bars rhythm.
30 seconds.
Alright, go.
Hey.
Oh shit, what's this, man? Fucking hell, my brother. Voila, I'm still alive. Yeah, hey, yo, Mr. Pussy Bat. Mr. You a pre from in the black van. Meanwhile, me every vote, your girl, you the outside to the front door, you no stop bang. Me, nah, mad over girl, me put my girl walk, link me a sentan. And if me foreign girl, go on like she a give me bun. Why you vex? Why you vex that? Tell me why you share to you. Go to the girl phone and you say the text, so you feel like you alone for you the breast. Why you do it? Why you watch you? Go to the girl phone. Done with you and get a new contract, new number. She had me on the WhatsApp. Hey, you, Mr. Pussy Watchman. Me see you a pre for me in the black van. Meanwhile, me every vote a girl, you the outside to the front door, you no stop bang. Me, nah, mad over girl, me put my girl walk, link me a sentan. And if me foreign girl, go on like you a... Why you vex? Why you vex, dog? Tell me why you stretch to you. Go to the girl phone and you see the text, so you feel like you alone for you to the breast. Oh, gee, you understand what I do?
Make them go buy the song. We are talk about.
Producer.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm really sorry. We wish we could go on for a really long time, but time is
Jesus.
against us. Stylaa, thank you ever so much for passing
man,
through.
bless up on
We
the
do
damn
appreciate
self.
it. But before,
I do appreciate
but
it.
hold on, Rasta, before you say that. So my DJ friend them. So who that say Cratch's Watchman couldn't go up on the rhythm there.
Oh, Jesus.
So one can go link the arts and voice.
Yeah, man, I could have gospel, man.
Remember, you know,
Alright.
one half you go splice it and put it somewhere and make it not sound good.
in can go, in can voice it.
If you want the
Pay-
song,
pay the
call
man.
him.
Call him and do what? Pay the man for voice.
Yeah, man, I'm going to big
Alright.
up some people before I
Quickly,
live
quickly,
up. I want
quickly.
to big up my granny.
Yes.
All the way
grandma's
at
name?
Jamaica and Chilani, Miss Aldi to Wallace, her birthday the 8th of December. So December forward, more everybody remind me, say, I'm help my post.
Of course.
My granny is a hero. She
Definitely.
make everything out of nothing. So big up
Definitely.
my granny, big up the team of the room, big up my bad bro, them, and I have
Right.
to call the name and I know
Right.
myself. Big up my family members, them, big up my son. my driving force in my life, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't know when the thugs will never get weak. You understand?
And where can
Big
we
up on
find
the
you on
damn
social
self.
media?
You don't know Stylaa British, you know, one oh Jesus boss.
Or
you
the
know.
one that spell
You
again?
know what I mean? You don't know Stylaa with 2 A, Stylyaa.
Underscore
you know what
British.
I mean? Underscore
And
with a
what can we
British.
what can we look forward to
Right.
forwarding out?
Okay, you don't know.
Quickly.
Hey, you are Mashup Road right now.
Yes.
We have a couple more bangers to drop.
Yes.
You don't know official a Mashup Road right now. Me,
Definitely.
Big Zeke, Shantaforce, Rara, and Zidane.
Big up
You
to
know
the
what I
man
mean?
them.
That a shell off the road right now. They're on over 100,000 views on
Big up to the
YouTube
man
right
them,
now.
yeah.
So work I put in. I don't know.
Yeah.
Hey, you went number 1 on the iTunes reggae charts. So you don't know. I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of myself.
We're proud of you
You
as
don't know
well.
the 9th of July.
Yes.
The Oh Jesus Boss party, birthday celebration.
Right.
You know what I mean? The gal is for life. So all of the money I'm gonna get a woman for the year.
Forward out and get one.
Yeah, when I can find a woman at my party.
Definitely.
You understand? So people in the forward and support me. You don't know me, I really am humble. You understand? Me
Definitely.
appreciate every support I get. You understand?
Keep up the
because
great work, bro.
I couldn't do it without you.
We're
lot.
very, very
So
proud of you.
bless up on the damn self
And you
and
don't know
adore.
you have our support.
All the
Hands
time.
down. Ladies and gentlemen, that is all we have for you this evening. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for thank you for being a part of tonight's show. Remember, we're here every Tuesday between 9 and 11. Remember to go over to our YouTube channel. This interview will be on it this weekend. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. We'll see you next week, Tuesday. Be safe. Dragon All Star, you want to take us out?
I was going to say every week, people want to say love your brother, love your sister. Let love rule in everything you do. Once in England and Jamaica, read a book. Them say brain pose the main poor, right? Until next, no, I'm not there next week. Until sometime soon. I see ya. You know the Upnlive show is back next week, as usual. You know that Dragon not there. For the girl,
C Block will be with us next week.
Some
So
shot.
yeah. See you guys next week.
Crystal do, boy them for no say how well.
Yo, I 2 have a time.